Hi guys, Sam from UberDriverNow.com. Just wanted to make a quick video showing you guys how to use the GrubHub Drivers App. We're going to go ahead and open it up. This is the first screen that you see when you open up the app. Right now we're unavailable. No tasks. Click on that top left corner menu button, and then we'll see scheduling, tasks, earnings, program level, delivery region, settings, help, and log out. So when we go to schedule, the first thing you want to do is go to scheduling and see if you have picked up any blocks to work. You can see I've picked up all of these blocks all the way till Sunday. So the one that's coming up right now is 2:30 to 4. I've already completed the first one. So the next one is 2:30 to 4. Right now it's 2:15. If I want, I can go online right now and wait, or just wait until the block starts. So let's see here. These are the earnings for today. Let me see here. Program level, since I just barely started doing this, I'm entry level right now, and after 20 deliveries then I'll basically start getting some perks. Right now, the only thing I can do as an entry driver is scheduling on Thursday at 2:05 p.m. So I'm sure that as your program level increases, you get more benefits. Delivery region. This is my delivery region right now. You get this basically assigned when you sign up. So since I live in this area, this is what I have. You can request, customer service to change it if you want. Settings are basically your profile. Then we'll go back to push notifications. Everything is on. Driver card. This is the card that you get when you sign up. That's when you have to pay for orders. Usually, most of the times you don't have to pay, but it's already been paid for. But sometimes you have to order and pay, or sometimes just pay and pick up the order. So this is where that goes. That's pretty much it. The rest of it is just not really important. And then help is, if you have any questions, you can search for them here. You can also call customer service through these options as well. If you tap on any of them, it'll tell you to call. It gives you the option to call, payments, schedules. It's going to open up another page. That's why when I tap on it, it shows me an option which app I want to use it to open that link. But yeah, so basically here's where you will be able to call customer service if you run into any issues, and then of course log out. You don't have to log out. It's always going to be logged in when you first log into the GrubHub Drivers App. So let's go back to scheduling, and we're going to, by the way, if you want to update the schedule, you tap on the update schedule button, and this is where you'll see all the available blocks. And when you start as a first time driver, you're not going to be able to pick up a lot of these shifts. As you can see, mine are all grayed out, but that's because everyone else has taken them. But on Thursdays at 2:05 p.m., if I open up the app, I will see a bunch of these blocks available, so I can select them basically a week in advance. So that's how that works. So We're gonna go ahead and go online at 2:30, and then we'll wait for a trip. Okay guys, it's 2:30, so we're gonna go ahead and go to tasks, which is the first screen that you see when you open up the app. We're going to tap on unavailable. It says to remember to bring your driver card. Got it. We're going to slide the slider from unavailable to taking offers. And now we're ready for a GrubHub order. Okay, we have just received an offer. We're going to tap on it. We will go ahead and accept offer. And there's a message saying the status of Chi Liu's order has been updated to ready for pickup. Okay. We'll go back to tasks, and that's where you'll see the task. We're going to tap on it, and we're going to tap on this arrow, the navigation arrow on the map, and it will take us to the destination or the pickup location. Okay guys, we have arrived. We will switch to our app here, and we're going to tap on arrived, and we will go inside and get the order. Okay guys, let's go ahead and tap on got order once you have the order, and we're going to tap on leaving. It's going to tell us where to go. We're going to tap on the navigate arrow here, and let's go ahead and drop it off. Okay guys, we've arrived at the location, so we're going to tap arrived, and we're going to pick up the order. Walk into the door. And once we've dropped it off, we're going to text the customer that your driver has left the order at your front door. We'll go back to the app, tap delivered, and swipe to complete.